Assalamualaikum. My name is NAZIRAH binti Muhammad SHAH and my metric number is 286452. Three things that I have learned from topic 1 is the marketing process include designing and implementing various tactics, commonly refers to marketing mix or 4P. The marketing mix is followed by evaluating, controlling and revising to achieve the organization objective. Secondly, what I have learned on this topic is the specific role of marketing is to provide assistance in identifying, satisfying, and retaining customers. If marketing consistently highlight a company's competitive advantage over other alternative, consumers may become loyal to the point of segregating the brand. Lastly, what I've learned on this topic is marketing provides a creative energy exchange between people and organizations in a marketplace. Since value change based on place and people in relation to changing environmental factors, marketing can adapt to consumer changing perception and belief. Even though I still have two questions about this topic. My first question is, what is the key of successful marketing and what is the first and most important function of marketing in order to grow the business? One thing that I have learned from the reflection of my group member is it's helped me to improve my soft skill. For example, communication skills such as how to pronunciation to use the accurate language. Secondly, leadership is how to manage our assignment to success, editing skill to edit my video and slide and others. In addition, we also constantly update every progress to fulfill our tasks smoothly and on time despite facing various challenges.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is SYAMIMI binti YAAKUB and my metric number is 287596. I'm going to talk about topic 2, which is the marketing environment that I choose for our 3-to-1 reflection video. The three things that I have learned from this topic. The first thing that I have learned from this topic is the difference between microenvironment and macroenvironment. The elements of the microenvironment directly affect the marketing activities, while the elements of the macroenvironment indirectly affect the marketing activities. The second things that I have learned is the elements in microenvironments are the immediate environment and the macro environment. The immediate environment includes a company, competitors, corporate partners, and the physical environment. The macro environment includes culture, demographics, social, technology, economic, and political or legal. The third thing that I have learned from this topic is the importance of a marketer to learn the marketing environment. This is because marketers can recognize and anticipate business trends, recognize threats and opportunities, and for long-term planning. Two questions that I still have about topic 2. How does the environment affect marketing, and what happens to a person or a company if he ignores the marketing environment? One thing that I have learned from the reflection video of my group members, they understand very well the chosen topic and they can also clearly explain the topic chosen by them. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Syuhada binti SAPARUDDIN, matrix number 285892. Today I'm going to talk about three things that I have learned about topic 3, which is consumer market and consumer buyer behavior. The first thing that I have learned related to topic 3 is in the consumer decision process, there are 5 steps that marketers need to know. Which is the first step is a need of recognition, second step information search, third step alternative evaluation, fourth purchase and consumption, and last step is post-purchase. This step represents what consumer go through before, during and after making purchasing decision. Secondly, I also learned about the components of post-purchase outcomes. There are 3 components, which is customer satisfaction, post-purchase cognitive dissonance, and customer loyalty. Marketers are particularly interested in post-purchase outcomes behavior because it involves actual customer rather than the only potential customer. Lastly, I also learned about the factors that influence the consumer decision process. There are 4 main factors that influence consumer decision process, which is social factors, situational factors, marketing mix, and psychological factors. Two questions that I still have doubt about this topic are: the first one is how exactly to differentiate between consumer needed and desire before purchasing products. And the second doubt is I still confused about the detail of post-purchase and how come it can give a huge impact on marketers. The one thing that I have learned from my group members is I learned how both of my group members understand the topic, that they are present very well and committed to know more about the topic.
Thank you, that's all from us.